This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. So I am new to baking in general, but I am very interested in making my own bread. So I thought this dough mixer would be a nice addition to my kitchen. It was very easy to set up and to understand, and I basically got to baking right away. So there are some helpful instructions that are right on the lid and on the unit itself. Oh, and it also came with these measuring devices, which I did not expect. Now you do actually have to install the mixer device there, but you just pop it in and you're ready to go. So I did use the recipe that they included in one of their little manuals for my bread recipe. And I had all of the simple ingredients already, and I just went right to it. So I loaded all the ingredients as instructed for the 30-minute mixing time. And then that was followed by a 90-minute fermentation. So the mixer is actually working perfectly. Right now it's fermenting. I'm just a little nervous. This is my first time making a loaf of bread. I don't know. So being for my first loaf of bread ever, I think I did a pretty good job.